his first apple. This is palm fruit. Oh, we want to make stew. This is my son doing his first apple. You must do it. Let me see if you want it. Or I've been playing all this while, trying to teach you, but I was playing. Bring that plate. Why is that boy crying? Press that one now. Press it out now. Don't let it pour. When you press out the water, you can put it inside the place. Hey, this woman later scratched this pot. You can put it inside here. Put it there. Put it there.
But it looks like they see water inside.
Put it. We'll still pound it back. We'll still pound it. Yeah. Next time I won't be with you here. See, be watchful so that it will not drop. Next time I won't be with you like this. That's why you need to do it. Chidi Ebere, come and pack this ugo. I'm going to be doing it fast. Come and be doing it here. Bring Bowel and come and sit down and do ugo. The time that you were in heaven, they say you should come here. You say you come. When you finish learning this thing now, no woman will do shakara for you. Chidi, bia. Also, so. What a bucket. Do. Make it clean. Do it. Yeah, pour it today. Good. Yeah, Kaya Chigosrim. Jide Chukubi came on way home, maybe about me to get be here. Or maybe anything about me to get be here. Ngwa. Be doing it. You turn it today. Make why also. May I tea, make a fan chanini. Nanya, he ha wishes in an old shin and Maggie. Can name me now, Fianani. Ngwa. A bobony da fun can name any. Name a quayan or see one name of ma. Be doing it. Do it very well. You'll be the one to cook this pumpkin stew today for us. Every time, mommy will be doing. You have to do now. What's that? Oh yeah. Meko. Banyozo. Men at work, welcome. Like the live stream for us. Like the video, okay? If you support what we are doing, just drop it. Like it. I was waste. You'll be wasting it. By the time I supervise you doing it twice now, the next one you do it only you. You can even film yourself doing it and cooking it. Mother will not die. See his face. Mother will not die. You want your mommy to die? Yeah? Your mommy will die walking. Only her should cook. Only her wash plates. Only her sweep room. No, now. You have to learn how to help out. Chidebere, come and make ugu for us. So come and cut ugu. Also, what's happening over there? Oh yeah. Be careful. Oh yeah. Be much more careful. Pack everything now. Pack everything once and for all. What's remaining there? Pack it. Make sure you pack everything. Keep the plate there. Keep the plate there. Use your hand and. Sorry. It's okay. Ndo. To be a mother is not a day job. Oh. See this one crying here. See this one crying here. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Let's continue watching Uzo. Come and watch Uzo. It's okay. You pound it again. Put it here. Turn it. You can keep that inside our place. Good. Put the plate inside the center. That plate, put it in the center. That plate, put it in the center. Then you turn the apple. Turn it. What's it? It's not only cooking rice and cooking noodles. You have to learn everything. Ofako, stew, soup, everything. You have to be doing everything. Carry the pestle. You have to raise your hand in case of next time, so that your hand will not. Don't break my pot too. So big. So pour your fuma. Ki we do show na fan chani ne ya pose. E water. So share you ki of ma. Akwi my here na chok up o. Iye white ahụ dị na ahụ akwa ahụ. So nya maka ị na scratch. Yes. The red and white or white and red, I don't know. Mommy, you're not shine, okay. But that's what you're taking out. You said? Okay. Uzochukwu be serious. Aka gị na-abọ. Amaghọ m ka ike a na-agwụ ya agwụ. Since m na-eme nke ọ na-eli ike ada agwụkwa m. Use your strength now. Use your strength. Ike adọrọ gị. Ide etiwekwe dị ake. Ide etiwe dị ake. Cheka ngosi gị ihe na-eme. Now watch me. You see me? Ngwa. Use your two hand now, so that Konya neba. Who is scattering that? Is it Chigogo? Chigogo mmeluo ahụ ebe ahụ. Mmeluo ahụ Oh yeah. Next washing. Second round washing. Okay. Hey, leave it. Don't touch it. Oh, this is boiled water. No, it's hot water you use in mixing the apple. Put it if it's ugu. Okay, that one is yam. Don't put it. Thank God you noticed it. If it's someone else, you might not notice it. Ngwa. Oh yeah. Turn it in, mix it very well, mix it up. It's burning you. It used to be hot. That's how it's burning me. You think it's cold before. It's not cold. It must burn. You have to learn to put your hand in something that is warm. That's how women do. That's how women do it. It has to burn you. Oh yeah, get it to the down. As you are mixing it, it's getting cold, right? Share as you're mixing it, it's getting cold. It's no longer hot, right? Oh my goodness. See the kind of eye, look at me. Oh my goodness. See Chidebere doing ugu over there. He's cutting ugu. When you finish cutting ugu, you go and cut nchuan. Scent leaf. You go down and go and pluck nchuan. Did you see how I pluck down my own? Don't plug your own the way you plug it though. You're killing the nchuan. You are going to go down and plug the nchuan. That's what we are going to use and cook now. Cut it from the branch, not that you go and be cutting only the leaf. Do you understand me? So that the nchuan can grow very well when rain falls. But if you cut it only from the leaf will not grow again. Did you understand? And I'm growing that nchuan for the leaf, not for the. All right. Baba mo. See this one, decorator. What did you put on your head? Give it together, she get. Okay. Oh yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You have finished massaging the apple. Bring this thing close again. Do it exactly how you do the other one. Do it exactly how you did the other one, the last time. Small. Raise that plate up first. Bam. Raise the plate. Remove it from the other water. Wait. Hey, don't turn it. Don't ever turn apple like that. If not, the chaff will be inside. Yes. And make sure you set it at the center so that it will not splash. See, splash on the floor. Don't let it splash. Good. You still put it inside that rubber again. Put it inside that rubber. You're going to wash it thrice, so put it in that rubber. You're going to wash it thrice. While you're washing it like that is to make sure that you get out all the whole oil that is inside that we are going to use and cook. Put it direct there. Chuku became. Go and bring water for me. Drinking water. Became. Go and bring the water for me. Bring drinking water for me. Chuku, there's water in bucket. Which bucket? He doesn't know. Okay, he will not be able to bring it. Kapang barrier. She's too. Bring bread and come and give this boy. Let him eat. Bring bread. It's my way of sending him out of me. It's not as if again. You think I love giving him bread. If I give him bread, you go and concentrate on eating the bread. And leave me. Is he throwing it everywhere?
You throw the bread everywhere. Last night, when you said you was throwing it everywhere. Sugar was in there. Which is what?
Come and put that in the kitchen. Here with the bread. Chidebere. Chida, better come and put small hot water on. Biachi mmiri ọkụ n'ọkụ. Oh. Put it in the kitchen. Oh, inside the sink now there. Just keep it now. Keep it. The person that wash plate will come and wash it. Okay, oh yeah, put water here first. Ngwa men at work. Ige melu ahụ nkịta, ige melu ahụ. Ima nọ nwayọ.
I haven't thought you meant I should ask him to listen for. No, the reason I'm saying is
You will still do the third one. The third one. Jiraka ukpo ya. Ya can cause okwa. Shift kwa ya call close. Ngwa. Call nso. Aka ga dey put anything no. Sorry. Akaga dey put anything. May I fast. No. Can you hold this thing? Let me show you. Can you hold this thing? I want to do my own. Come and hold this. Okay. Chidi. Come and hold this camera. Let me show your brother. Okay, let me not show you. Just be doing it. Do it anyhow you want. Anytime you finish doing it. Cut bread for your brother. So he will stop disturbing us. Use shift.
Daddy, come and cut it. Give me.
Wait till I can cut all the bread. Take. And keep that one in the freezer. Don't mind him. See you in the freezer. Don't. You want to serve yourself? Sorry. Also, you could be very careful so that chaff will not enter that thing.